Welcome back my YouTube family. How's everything going today? Today I'm going to be showing you where the Bluetooth module is on the E46s, as a lot of people don't know where the module is on these cars and how to locate them. Now these Bluetooth modules will not work with any new phones to this day and age at this point in time, but you can have them updated. I'm going to be doing it on this one in another video, showing you how to upgrade it to Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0 so it works with the latest phones like the iPhones and the latest Samsungs, as these Bluetooth modules back in the day would only work with phones up to 2005. Obviously that years have gone past. I had the same problem with my E39, but obviously it's in a different location to what it is on the car here on the E46, and I'm showing you how you pair it to your car after. So as you can see, we're in the boot area, and now most people would probably think that it sits in here, which is right in here, but that's not where it goes, I assure you. As you can see, there's wires in there, but these wires are for the CD changer, in case you wanted to fit a CD changer in there. Now mine, as you know, does have the Harman Kardon system, so this is what the speakers are here for. They're obviously bass speakers, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you where the Bluetooth module is. And as you can see, there's a lot of parts in this car as well that come with the car, so we're just going to locate. So how I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you standing here. Let's try and make sure this camera can see. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to get to it. So you want to pull that out. Now this can be used in case many of you don't know what your pin number is for your Bluetooth module. And what you do is you just pull the carpet back, which you can do like so, like there. And now as you'll see here, there's your Bluetooth module right here. Now the Bluetooth module sticker for the pin number is on the back here. Now luckily when I bought this car, the pin was already written down in the book, so I mean someone has already been at it to try and find out what the pin is. But if it's the D, you can also find out the pin for your Bluetooth module in the telematics control. And as you'll see here, there is another module, and actually that's the parking sensor module, which sits right there for these cars, but we don't have to access that. But that's your Bluetooth module there. Now all you're going to want to do to get it out is one bolt there, and there's two 10mm bolts which are set at the back here. So you just want to unbolt them and take your obviously Bluetooth module out of here to have it upgraded to Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0. I'm not sure. I need to look up what the new phones are using. But that's the Bluetooth module location in these cars, and that's what you need to look for when doing on the E46s. On the E39s it's a very different, but this is how they are in this position here. I don't know why they put them here, and it's still quite hard to get to. It's not actually easy to reach. As you know, on E61s it sits under the carpet, which is under here, and at the back on the E39s it actually sits in the same place above here as well. But you know, it's a lot easier on the E39s because you just take the thing out, then get into it, the piece out that pulls down this right there, and it's right there on top of the shelf. It's like this open, but with this one you have to pull the carpet out. But that's it guys, that's the location of it. So now what we're going to do is put it back together, and I'm going to show you how to pair it. You're actually in the car. When you get in the car, first thing you're going to want to do is put the key in the ignition, leave it in position 0. You're going to want to press down the voice button like that and hold it. Now this is quite hard to do with two hands, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the, I'm trying to put the camera here on the armrest if I can so you can see me do this, and put it down there. So what you're going to want to do is press this button here, and then you're going to want to turn the ignition to keep position 2, which is right there, and then you'll see right there where it comes up right here, Bluetooth pairing. Now I'm going to get my phone to use my phone as a reference, so let's just get my phone out. Now I'm going to get the Bluetooth. Now as you can see, it's searching for devices. Now I'm already connected to my other car. There's all my Bluetooth devices around there. There's the device. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click that, and we're going to click 4846, as that's the pin for this one. Now as you can see, it's saying I'm not connected. So now what we're going to do is we're now going to turn the ignition off to get out our Bluetooth pairing. And now we'll leave it for a second, and then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the ignition back on. Now what it should do, it should find the Bluetooth and put my Bluetooth online. So my Bluetooth's already on. So if we click connect, there you go, Bluetooth's connected. So that's the Bluetooth connected. Now we're going to sync the contacts. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to try and make a call. Find someone here we can call. So let's just call these numbers for instance, and now I'm connected to the Bluetooth. Now we'll see if it comes through the car.
Due to the bank holiday weekend, we are busier than usual.
Now as you can see, it's come through the Bluetooth.
Call is not urgent. We strongly advise you.
So that's how you get it connected to Bluetooth.
Or download the My Sky app to your mobile.
And it's fully working.
Manage your account, make payments, and get lots of help and
support.
support.
So that's how it works, but guys. Now there's how it works. You heard the call going through. And that's how you set up your Bluetooth, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. The Bluetooth's finally worked with my phone, so it does not need updating. iPhone's working perfectly. The only reason I thought it did need changing on the Bluetooth, which I'm still going to get it done, is it doesn't work with Samsung phones. My missus got a Samsung, the S9, and the Bluetooth doesn't work with that. That's because it needs updating, because Samsung, I do use some kind of different Bluetooth signal and a different kind of Bluetooth system to set up the phones. But obviously my phone is working, as you've just seen. I've got the latest iPhone XS Max, sorry. So, and it works perfectly with no problems. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This BMW Dr. Dean here. I hope now this shows you how to set up your Bluetooth and where to find the Bluetooth module, and obviously get the PIN number. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.